everyone, welcome to your PD and this is Shubha. So this video is going to be an analysis of the English portion which was of the examination conducted by the department Himuda, and it was for the A examination. The field was electrical and it was conducted on 20th May 2024. Now for your upcoming examinations are already aligned. First it's going to be in the next month, July only. The civil branch is going to have their examination, and afterwards it is going for the Department of Jal Shakti. The date has not been announced yet, but yes, you have to start your preparation strategies soon only. Why this video is important for you, that ma'am, it is an analysis of the previous year, or you can say just the paper which has been held a few days back, because this is based on the alignment of the paper which is based on the new terms, or you can say it out as that is based on the new pattern. First of all, now it is divided into two portions. Paper 1 is non-technical one and paper 2 is your technical one. So this is a portion. Now all your upcoming examinations are going to be based on the new pattern, and you need to check it out why this pattern is important and how it is little different. Now the English is of 20 marks and that is a big number for your preparation strategy. And I tell you that the English is not, I would say, very easy level, because it requires certain smart tricks while you are solving the examination. And the questions are aligned from the voice, direct, indirect. So all the portions are quite, you can say it out, it's on the basis of the toughness level. Though the toughness in the questions is not much, because you can easily do these questions through your answer choices. Now in this video, we'll see certain elimination tricks also, how you can opt while solving the examination. Now the very first question, it is based on converting, or you can say choose the correct passive voice form of the given sentence. So it is based on the voice, right? So the question is that, is RF arranging the books today? Now I tell you the certain hacks are there. Whenever there is a question, ing is there. In the answers, it should be being. Anywhere you can see being, yeah, the two are there. So these two option choices already get eliminated because being is not there in the above options. Now it is RF arranging the books today? Though today also gets changed into that day, but we are to convert it out as, so here it will be, the books portion will come at the start, RF will come by at the back. So it is books question at the start, this RF at the back. Now second hack is, do you know that this is a question mark statement? You need to have a question mark at the end, and only this is serving us with ing also, question mark also, and the books are at the start and the RF is at the back. So the answer becomes is R, the question at the very start, it remains the same, it only changes because of the books. R is being there. So R, the books being arranged by RF today. So that is the question. Now today, or normally in the cases of the change in the form, it gets converted to that day, but we are not given that options and all that, so we will be resolving to this one. So D is the right answer of this question. Now you see, very first was a voice one, and easily detected through the tricks, through the options which are being provided. Second is again based on the voice only. It is also a voice question. You see, start noting down the number that, and you are getting two of the voice questions, that is 4 marks directly from the voice yet. So it is, I was offered a handsome salary in the company. Now this question, you have to choose the active form of this sentence. Now see, when you have I was offered, it is in the past only. Now this is the question, a handsome salary was being. No ing is there, why being is there? So this option gets eliminated. Second is, they are giving us an option, this company asked me an offer of a handsome salary. The company did not ask you an offer, right? So it is, this is also a wrong one. You have to tell us about the offering. You cannot change the words or add it on your own. Now there are two options which are left, but that too you have to check it out. Here has is given. Do we have has in the question? Has, have, had, nothing like this we have. So how can we choose from a past tense to has? That's not required, even that is wrong. We cannot change the form in the terms of tenses without even, you can say, having one. Like ing we could not add, or we cannot add has on our own. The only option we are left is the option number B. They offered me a handsome salary in the company. So your answer question will be, ma'am, there they is not written. It is like, I was offered a handsome salary in the company by them. So this is certain, like in some cases you can put it on your own. Like as the thief was caught. Now you can say the police caught the thief. It is by your own speculation you can put these terminologies in your answers. So in this way, second is going to be the right answer for this. Third is very easy, and I have already mentioned you in these options number of times. Now it is have been. I have been working in the garden dash morning. So whenever it is morning, it is evening, if it is sunset, all these requirements are there. We have an option of since or for, because you don't have to go for any other option. You have either this or that, right? With has and have statements with the perfect tenses. You will go for since in this. So obviously if the since are there, you have to be ready by 7 o'clock. So this is the answer, that is your C gets an answer. Now these are very easy, which are already based on the rules we have covered in our classes. Now it is choosing the correct sentence, like which among the following is the correct one. Let's start reading it. First is, in this vibrant world, there exists an including? No, there cannot exist. There is a verb problem over there. So there exists an including game of politics, because it is a singular one. Singular subject noun is there. It will be taking singular verb, which is there in the second one. In the third, an including game of politics are. No, are cannot be there. It is wrong. An intriguing game of politics exists, same way, this is wrong. So this is a kind of a singular noun, and singular noun always take a singular verb, which justifies in the statement B. So B is the right answer for this. Next you have is choosing the indirect form of the following. So you have a question from voice, you have a question from direct, indirect. Okay. Now this question is that Alka said, I'm able to finish the project in time because I prepared well. Now something that is in present that can move to the past, and something that is in past can be moved to the perfect. That is the rule we have. Alka told everywhere. Okay. Alka told, Alka told, Alka told. Alka asked. This is not a question. The fourth gets eliminated. Again we will go as Alka told she was able to finish examination because she prepares. How can present tense be changed? That's not possible. Alka told that she had been able to finish the project because she prepared well. So it is had for the present, that's not the case. Alka told that she was able to finish the project in time because she had prepared well. So past, simple past into perfect, and present into past. C is the right answer in this. So C option is the right one. Next you have the sixth one. Choose a correct direct form of the following. Mehak said that I was making right efforts as compared to others in his team. Now you have to choose again a direct form. So it will be Mehak, it cannot be comma over here. Mehak said to me, you are making right efforts as compared to others in my team. Mehak said to me, I make right efforts as compared to others in team. Now it is, you have to check it out. One hack I told you already. It is making, ing is there. So in this you made, that's not possible. Ing should be there. Ing should be there. 2 gets eliminated because there it lacks ing form, and we need ing form in these sentences. What can be the question now? It is Mehak said to me, you are making right efforts as compared to others in team. Mehak said to me, I have been making. Now have and was cannot align. It is not possible. You have over there. Option A is the right one. Very simple strategy you have to opt for. Now same way. Now this is something I'll give you time to think about this as a question. Now this is all decisions have been kept in dash till the approval from the top is received. So you have 4 options over here. Is it legate, abeyance, abey, latent? What can be the right option which you choose in your blank? So what you can do is, the best is you can put the even questions, the answers over here one by one. Now legate is something which I will say it out as an officiant representative, right? So if it is some kind of ambassador, official representative, you call it out as legate. Abbey, you know, that is a place where monks and nuns live. So it is a kind of a monks and nuns residing place, that is abbey. Abeyance is when you have an act of delaying something, that is termed as your abeyance. So that is you delay something, so that is an act of abeyance. and dash is your latent is, that is I would say not yet active, or something that is existing but not very noticeable or something, right? So you less notice it out, not that active, that is termed as latent बात का, ठीक है? तो all decisions have been kept in dash till the approval. कहाँ पे रखे जाते हैं? लिगेट के पास रखे जाते हैं? No, they are kept in abe में नहीं रख सकते. They are kept in the delaying processes. So all the acts are kept in the abeyance till the approval from the top is received. Just B answer is the right one. You needed good vocab for this. Now you have to choose the incorrect statement. Do check it out. You have to go for the incorrect, not the correct. And sometimes we read the question wrong. So you have to make it a point that you read the question in a right way. Did they start the recording on time? So with the did, it has start. So I think it is the right one. They carried out the routine checks yesterday. Yes, they carried out the routine checks yesterday. Shri Roshan Lal has sent the reply 2 days ago. And then it is, have you been supervising the work? Since is there, yesterday is there, and have is there. Correct, correct, correct. Why I feel this is wrong is, so if it is there, you used simple past. It is simple past over there. It should not be has sent. It should be simply Roshan Lal sent the reply 2 days ago. So you have to differentiate yourself. When ago is there, it's a past one. So generally you will use it your simple past over here. C is the wrong one. Next you have is a ninth, where you call it out as an epitome. Epitome is an example of what? You have 4 options for yourself. Is it an ideal example of something? Is it an something this can be predicted? It's an opposite quality or a neutral noun. So you have to remember is an epitome of beauty, that you say it out. Oh, she's an epitome of beauty. She's an epitome of perfection. So something that is very good. First is epitome means a positive word, and this will be there. So it is an ideal example again based on vocabulary. So you see 2 questions on vocabulary over there, and the last question comes over there. Now last question, I am leaving it for you guys also to think about the answer. I can give you a kind of minusing it out or through the elimination method. Let's check out how much you know about this vocabulary. I am giving you the hint, and it is like you have to replace the word with the right one. You have 4 options. India offers a rich dash of memorable experience, and when it comes to tapestry, it is a kind of, you have lots of things with you, right? So that is, now you have to check, is it a mosaic, it is a memory, it's a tradition, or it's an aura. And for me, I can say mosaic is a kind of a picture that is placed with the small stones. Tradition, that is something you can say carried. Customs, that is carried till years. Memory is some kind of a past experience or some kind of a some old things that you remember. An aura, that's a kind of an atmosphere that you build up. So now this is a question which I am leaving a gap to fill up from your side, because I want you to type in the comments. Let's see how many of you answer this thing correct. Now this is a kind of questions like I have tried to cover approximately all kind of a questions. So it is like you have to remember what does it mean. So it's like a tapestry, it's there, it's a sequence of events in your life, and you have to check it out, what does it belong. For me, memory can be a wrong one, and you have to answer the right in the comments. So that is a question from your side, and I will give you an answer through your comments. Do you feel it is right or wrong way? So now see, you have a strategy of questions which we practiced today, and it is based on the paper which just held, I think, on last month even. Yeah, so it's just a month back. And one more thing I would say, that whenever you're preparing and you're strategizing for your upcoming examinations, do make it a point that you are coming the examination of voice, 2 marks, and then it is your sentence completion. That is also based on the tenses format, I tell you. Then it is about correcting the sentences. Direct and indirect is 2 questions, 2 for the direct, 2 for the that voice. Don't leave both the portions. Then it is again your vocabulary based, then incorrect sentence. It is based on vocabulary and the vocabulary based. So yeah, so basic portions were voice and this tenses and your direct and indirect. So make it a point that you do 3 of these portions very steadily in your paper, and keep on preparing. We'll be soon coming with lots of good videos to make you aware about the strategies, how you need to crack the examination. So all the best, take care and have a good day. Bye-bye.